Hello, it's Amy with Just a Little Ink. I'm an independent demonstrator out of Prescott Valley, Arizona, and I'd like today to share with you an unboxing video. I've not done one of those before, and so I'm hoping you'll enjoy that from the pre-order of online exclusives that will begin starting on July the 3rd for customers, but demonstrators are able to pre-order during the month of June. And so I'm going to switch my camera over now, and I'll probably come back. We'll kind of see. Sometimes I forget. So I want to kind of share with you a couple things. First off, yes, I'm going to talk about online exclusives. There are a couple suites that are available, all kinds of fun products, and I'm going to pull them out of my box. That one I pre-ordered. I did not pre-order everything. Can only order so much, you know. And another suite, which is more all season. Very, very cool. And there are so many other things that are available in the online exclusives. Lots of excitement, kind of out of catalog. So they're out of publication. That's what our online exclusives are. Awesome products. But also during the month of June, want to remind you that right now you can take an additional 10% off any of our die bundles that you can order. You can find them all on my website, justalittlink.stampinup.net. And it also includes 10% discount on any of our die cut machines. So the mini in either color and the large one. Awesome, awesome products. So get all of that in. Kind of want to get that out of the way so you know that. And I'm going to go ahead and open my pre-order box. It's so much fun. So you can see all this fun stuff that I've got in my pre-order. So what it came with, let's see, I'll set it aside as I pull out. How's that? Let's go like this. So pull out, the first thing is what I'd ordered, the suite. And so it comes with the Golden Greenery stamp set, which is a 2-step stamp set. It's photopolymer. And so cool. I'm excited to start playing with this one. It has a die set that comes with it. Open that out of here. Like I said, I've not opened any of these things. Comes with the die set. Golden Greenery, so which will cut out the images in the stamp set, and then some standalones as well. So fun. I love the elegance of all of this. So set this one. It also came, the suite had the Greetings of the Season stamp set that could be purchased with. And it is also photopolymer. I love the builder ability and the font differences in this set. Kind of get it where the ring light's not blaring on it. Loved this set. Then there's a Greetings of the Season die set that came along with that. So that one's also a bundle. So excited for in July to be able to start sharing Christmas cards. We might get a chance to do some before then. And this one has got some great label options for the Greetings die set. Going to be a lot of use, and you can kind of tell that some of them have a stitched element that goes along with those. Those are really cool. Kind of excited for that. And then there is a separate stamp set that can be purchased. It's not part of the suite, but it is to allow that die set to get used beyond just the Christmas season. And it includes anniversary, birthday, thank you, hello, thinking of you, congratulations. There's even a kind of a sympathy type. There isn't one that says sympathy on it, but there's the inside greeting that is. And it, again, is also photopolymer. So fun. Thought that all was so great. Well, then other parts of the suite were these cute, what are they called? Cherry cobbler and pearl adhesive backed berries. So cool to go with. Also some satin ribbon in vanilla. It's in very vanilla. It's a nice wide. This is, what does it tell us it is? 3/4 inch wide. So that'll be so much fun. And I could order a couple, so I ordered a couple of those. And then, let's see, oh yes, fun stuff here. So, also has in the suite some designer series paper. This is the Season of Green and Gold. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. I'll put it back in there till later. Beautiful, beautiful. Got a gold, gold quality to that side. Then a dot that's not, it's a little harder to see. It's just green and on the vanilla. I think it's vanilla, yeah. And then this one, and I have a feeling that those dies might cut some of those. What do you think? Let's find out. We're unboxing, we can do that, right? I think they might. There's a very good chance that this, yep, will die cut these images, and it might even do the pine on this particular print. Yep, it'll do the pine, and it will at least do the one. Let's see, does it do the other? We tested the lighter green. Yes. So all of these leaves can be die cut using the golden greenery dies. So that is fun. Put it back in here. Okay, out of the way. So those are pretty. And then this is the back, a nice neutral, kind of has a stripe to it. A couple sheets of each of those. And this has got a nice gold reflective. They're little diamonds, a little hard to see in the camera, but there you go. And then this side has a nice tone-on-tone kind of greenery. Again, 2 of each of those. Oh, and then the bells. And I bet you, now they put it away, the bells probably can get cut out as well. And nice, again, nice gold. So lots of reflection there. A nice plaid, which is a lot of fun. And then 2 more pieces here, 2 of each. This is a nice reflective gold. And then just almost like a linen. Kind of pretty. And 1 more set of them, nice stars. They have a nice gold reflection to them. And then some more, just very subtle, that mistletoe. So 2 of those. Awesome, awesome. That is a lot of fun. And the colors, I don't know if this one tells us on the packaging. Yes, garden green, mossy meadow, old olive, pecan pie, very vanilla, and of course the gold. So fun. Okay, so got that. I'll get it out of the way just so we don't keep it in the path of the camera. So then the other thing that was available in that suite was the Graceful Greenery Vellum. We'll open it up. Pardon the squeaky of the paper. Get it out and go through that paper. So fun. That's not having just normal vellums. Beautiful, beautiful printed vellum. And again, I have a feeling these could be die cut. There's 2 sheets. And, oh, these are that linen look. 2 sheets of the linen look. White with just a white print kind of on there. Kind of see that there. And finally, some of the mistletoe. Beautiful paper. Just so vibrant. Those are going to be very helpful. Yes. So I'll set that out of the way. And then I ordered a another package that I thought coordinated really nice. It's also available in the online exclusives. This is the gold mercury vellum. So again, not part of the suite, but definitely available starting the 3rd of July. So we'll pull that out and we can put it back later. So, and I think they might be all the same, but we'll find out. I think maybe it's 2 of each. So there's this print. It's gold on the vellum. Then one's a little thicker. I guess that's how I'd word it. I don't know. That's beautiful. If you've done any of our mercury papers in the past, this is really pretty. And then there's this design. So yeah, there are 6 sheets in here. Beautiful, beautiful. So that was what I got from my pre-order, but I do have one more package of paper I'm going to open that I'm really excited about. So, isn't something that you're going to be able to purchase. However, this is the Country Rose 12 by 12. It was available only to demonstrators as a sales incentive, and so I met that incentive for April. It was a challenge because I had good sales the year before. We had to increase our sales from the previous year. And so this paper was designed only for demonstrators. And it is similar, in fact, I think the prints are exactly what are in the current catalog with the blue, and I can't even tell you what it is, which is horrible. But beautiful paper. I look forward to creating fun projects, and if you're ordering from me, you just might find you get a thank you note made out of this beautiful paper. So there's those 2 prints. If you've purchased the blue, you understand, yep, that's exactly. It's got some cute little bunnies on some pink floral, and then we've got a stripe, 2 sheets of each of these. And this one's got the fox, and then brown, and then on the back, the floral and kind of dot. And let's see, oh yeah, the trees. Oh, those are cute. Like that. And then on the back side, a nice pretty floral, real tiny. And finally, this one. And on the back side is the stripe. So fun, fun, fun packaging, fun paper. Saying thank you for all of my customers who ordered during the month of April, because you made it possible for me to actually get this. And the colors in this paper are Petal Pink, Pretty in Pink, and Melon Mambo. So hint, those colors go together. That's awesome. So I thank you again for joining me in for this quick unboxing video of my online exclusives pre-order. If you have any questions, reach out. Please make sure to comment. If you have not liked and subscribed to my channel, I so would appreciate it if you would do so. And then don't forget, click on that bell so that you get notifications every time I post a new video. Look forward to seeing you again soon. And if you haven't caught my new free online classes that are on my Facebook account, which you can catch later here, make sure you do so. I'll have another one the last Thursday of this month, 2 p.m. Arizona time. Until then, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much.